Alrighty, it's September 10th, and Harper's on our way to kindergarten. But I wanted to film this beautiful sunrise. Check this out, watch. The sun looks like it's a ball of orange juice. Yeah, you'll see as we come around the corner. And we got a mantis bug. There it is, Harp. There's that beautiful sun. See it? Wow, look at that. It's a beautiful sunrise. Uh-oh, there's the magic lady with the magic stop sign. It says, stop in the name of love before you break my heart. You got your Among Us picture, huh? Look at that beautiful sunrise. Doo -doo. What's that?
My dad loves it.
Yeah, it's I haven't seen one like that.
What is that?
Well, come on, you're gonna end up getting hurt. Don't do that. Let's not get hurt before school.
I like dragonflies.
You like dragonflies?
No, they sting me around.
Oh no. Ready?
I have two sisters.
You have two sisters? Are they in middle school, high school? Or babies? They're babies? Uh-oh. So they... Oh, awesome. And what grade are you in? Fourth? Third? Awesome. We found this big bug at McDonald's and we brought him home. Ooh. Cool, huh? And then we got our Ghost Rider over here. Don't take him off. Don't take him off. Let him just wander on his own. See the Ghost Rider?
This is a good spot.
Ooh. No, he'll go out on his own. Just let him do his thing. Just like you have to learn on your own. That's what the homeboy's got to do. He's not at McDonald's no more. He's over here.